Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Regiana, and today I have a wig video sponsored by Wiggins hair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig unit. So they sent over this chocolate brown wig with the honey blonde highlights in the front. And just to start with the specs, this is a 26-inch wig unit with a 13x4 lace frontal and also in 180% density. So also to talk about the hair color, you guys, it's basically a chocolate brown, and then again it has the honey blonde highlights in the front, so basically like the frontal. So the highlights are not all throughout the hair, they just have it in the front, but I definitely will be showing you guys where the blonde is located throughout the video. I did some parting so that you guys could see where again the blonde was located. So this was a very easy install for me, you guys. I do want to let you know that, you know, before I put this wig on, I did bleach the knots, and I also put my foundation up under my lace. Make sure you guys check down below in my Amazon storefront for all products that I use in my hair videos. I'm loving the lace as well. It's pretty undetectable. I'm not sure if this is a HD lace, you guys. I have to go back and check through my emails. Of course, all the things will be, you know, down below in the description box, but I absolutely love the lace. It did a really good job with blending into my skin tone. I did take the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in the color Cocoa to tint my lace. If you guys see me tinting my lace, or it looks like my lace is tint, I only use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. I like liquid instead of powder. I don't know why, I just feel like liquid does the job way better for me, you guys. I don't know. So you guys are going to probably see like a white cast, or it might seem like it's lighter on my hairline, but I'm going to take the Eben holding spray, which I have absolutely been loving. I have not been using my Got To Be blasting spray. You guys know I live by my Got To Be, but the Eben has been doing its job, okay? Like holding your wig for dear life, literally, okay? So basically I'm just going to take my Eben holding spray and like spray it across the hairline, and it melts right on in. So this was a pretty easy install, you guys. I love Wiggins hair because they always have really full wigs, and you guys know I'm the big hair channel. I love very full voluminous hair. So yeah, I absolutely love the style that I came up with as well. I just thought it was really pretty. I love these tones on me, especially for the colder months. It just all goes together, and I just love it. So let me know what you guys think of the hairstyle, the process. You know, just let me know anything.
you.